Hi everyone. I just made a video. I'm making a video to show you how to get into your scientific interactive. I was making sure I said it right. Your scientific interactive, or we're just going to call it SI for short. But I want to show you how to get into your scientific interactive course, which is the course that goes along with your lab kit that you're supposed to be ordering. So first of all, this is our course. This is Bio 163, section NT1, and we're taking it in summer 2025. So welcome to the course, Basic Anatomy and Physiology. And this is really super easy. What you're going to do is there's no link to the Scientific Interactive until you get to week 1. So in week 1, your very first activity in Scientific Interactive, here's the little icon. Scientific Interactive will look like this little puzzle piece thing here. But your first activity is called Anatomical Orientations. You're going to click on that, okay? Now, when you click on that, it is going to give you the option, and I just went to step 2 because step 1 was different for other courses, but for us, step 1 is clicking on that first assignment, which is called, I forgot, hold on, Anatomical Orientations. So then step 2 is going to be either enter a code or purchase a kit. So if you received a code from the bookstore, you will click enter a code. If you did not and you want to order your kit just directly from here, you're going to click on purchase kit, and you can purchase it with a credit card. So if you're using a code because you got a code from the bookstore, then you hit enter a code. And then if you're purchasing with a credit card, you click purchase kit. And basically it will walk you through the rest of the steps. You'll do just like you would any other credit card purchase. And then you're going to be in the course and you will be able to complete the virtual labs or digital labs, however you want to say it. And basically for the first 3 weeks, you won't have to have the kit. So that gives you plenty of time. They say once you send off for your lab kit, that either once you redeem your voucher or once you send off for your lab kit with the credit, order it with the credit card, you want to have it delivered to your house. And once it arrives, and you get your materials, the materials in the kit are really, most of the labs are going to be online. But we do feel, it's not just me, the other instructors also in our department feel that you need some hands-on in a lab-based science course. So your lab kit will have a fetal pig that you will dissect. So I want to tell you that up front, and it's okay, you'll be fine. But I just want you to know it does have a fetal pig that you will dissect. And if you have any concerns about that, please email me. We'll discuss them. I will discuss any questions that you have or any concerns that you have. But it will have a fetal pig, and it should have a skeleton, like a miniature model of the human skeleton. But the first 3 weeks, your activities will just be virtual labs or digital labs. So anatomical orientations is just a virtual lab. And then in week 2, your assignments from SI are, one of them's called the lab kit inventory. And if you don't have your lab kit, I will extend the due date on this activity. But I wanted to post it and try to get you to do it early because we don't have a lot of weeks. And then the other activity is tissues and histology. And that one does use a virtual microscope. It's called a V-scope. And so it does use a virtual microscope, not a real microscope. But I'm going to post a little video just to help you, but you basically have to learn how to use it, but it's not that hard, especially for you guys. Most of you are younger than I am, and you're good with, with all that. But anyway, so far you don't need your lab kit except to do this lab kit inventory, and that is graded, and you do have to do it. But if you don't have your lab kit in order to do it by June the 2nd, you just need to email and ask for an extension, and we need to talk about when you're expecting that kit to arrive, or any problems you may be having. Then I haven't posted Chapter 4 and Chapter 5 on tissues and the integumentary system, but the lab in SI for the integumentary system is also a virtual lab. So it is not until you get to week 6. In fact, I'll be honest, you will need the skeleton. So it's not week 6. I'm talking crazy. It is week 4. The lab that goes with the skeletal system has got a little like miniature model of a human skeleton, and you need that to do the lab. So by week 4, which the due date is June 16th, but week 4 pretty much starts on June, not June the 9th, but June the 10th. So by June the 10th, you really need to have your lab kit, okay? So I'm just saying that just so that you'll know. And as always, please email me with any questions that you have. I keep my email my notifications on my phone, so my emails come directly to my phone all the time. And if I'm awake and alert and I'm not busy with something else, I don't care if it's at night or in the morning or on the weekend or some crazy time when everybody else is asleep. I keep weird hours sometimes too, but I answer my emails a lot. So I check them and I answer them very, very frequently. So you should be able to get a hold of me pretty quickly if you have any questions. So anyway, I hope you guys have a wonderful experience with this course. And I hope you will feel free to come to me if you have any problems, especially getting started.